Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can edit the category. So we have seen the categories on the right side and we are able to delete the category, and I'm gonna click on edit now. Then we will able to see update. This is the get variable and this is the get variable ID. I click on second one, we will get the second number ID, right? So we will target this one get variable to edit the category. But before edit the category, we need to get the particular record inside our input text form, right? So let's do that. So I go to my code editor and open your file categories.php, and this I use comment add category, right? This form is help you to add the category. So I want to edit the record. So first thing, you need to use if statement and check this update get variable is active, then come into the if body. So after this div, inside this div, alright, just a minute, copy that and paste here, and then I'm gonna use edit category. Inside that I'm gonna use basic PHP syntax, and I call if set $get which get variable update. I'm gonna change that edit, this is short, okay? Edit get variable is active, then come into the if body. Inside the if body I'll leave this PHP close and PHP start. Inside this section I just need to go on a poll and copy the complete form and paste on here, right? Very simple. I arrange them, and then just a minute. Wait, I think I need to check out. Right, so first thing I'm gonna change that edit category, alright, and also I need to change that edit category btn edit underscore. This is the button name, and also we need to change this name edit category, right? Save that and let's check it now what happened. So I use this one, click on that. As you can see, edit category and input text field and edit category button has been appeared after click the button, right? Now the next thing, we need to use this one section starting is bracket, and we need to get the data from get variable. So I'm going to create a edit variable and get the data from edit variable and assign the data inside our edit variable, right? So I'm gonna use edit ID, right? Once you get the ID from get variable, then you need to write the query. The query is select static from categories. This is my table name, where cat ID, this is the database column name, I mean table column name, category column name, get ID. I'm going to show you this one match where I have used where, so I use single quotation edit ID. So this query will get particular record, right? This complete query get a particular record and assign the query inside our SQL variable. Now the next thing, we need to write result MySQL I query pass result variable, right? Now the next thing, we need to write the I need to use SQL pass con and SQL, right? So I think I need to use data and write MySQL fetch associate, right, and pass the result variable. I will use this one variable to get the data from database, right, where it is get ID. So I'm going to use value. This is the input text field, right, the basic syntax of PHP, echo and call data and database table column name, get title. I want to display the get title inside our input text field. Save that and let's check it now. What happened? As you can see, we have received web development. I'm going to click on last one, source code. I'm going to click on digital marketing, and as you can see, this is the ID and this is a get variable. So we have successfully get the particular ID and assign the ID inside our get input text field, right. Now the next thing, we need to update the record. So first thing, you need to write the action. So I'm going to create another file, update.php, right. And one more thing we need to do, we need to also send the name inside our form. I'm going to use ID. I'm going to use edit_ID, and we need to use same way to assign the ID, echo data get ID, this one variable, and this is a database column name. This ID, particular record ID, will assign inside our name variable, this one, right. So let's do that to get another file, update.php. Inside that I'm going to use if statement. If is set $post btn. I'm going to target this one. Just a minute, I'm going to show you where it is. This one category is active, and when user click on this button, then come into the if body. Inside that we need to get the data with the help of name variable like edit ID and edit category from this one form. So I will create a UPID. This is my variable. I use $post, and we need to get the ID, this one variable, right, and UP name. I use get, right, $post, and I'm gonna use this one variable, right. Now we successfully get the ID and also name. So let's check it now, it's working or not. This is ID, concatenation UPID, this is category, right, and I'm gonna use upcat, right. I think I need to check that. Click on that. Okay, edit ID is undefined index, and this is the ID. Okay, I need to check that. Edit ID. What is problem now? Okay, we need to use a value and this one, right. I think it should be work fine. Let's check it now. I go back, I click on web development, edit now, line number 6, PHP, line number 6, this one, value, edit_ID, edit_ID, perfect. But I think, okay, just a minute, I use another way. I get that value PHP concat ID, check that, get ID, perfect. Okay, I use another way, guys. Just a minute. I use input text field, type hidden, and use same thing like this way, right? And assign the cat ID. Okay, let's check it now this time. So I'm gonna use web designing. Click on that. As you can see, guys, this is the ID and this is our category. We have successfully received data from the input text field, right? Now the next thing, we need to write the query. I'm gonna use SQL update categories, set cat title equal to upcat, where cat id equal to upid, right? I think I need to use, just a minute, I check that. I need to use where is the connection. Check that. Okay, I think connection available inside our header.php. Yes, so I need to just call require once includes header.php, right? Once you add that, then you will use connection inside this file. So the next and get result variable, I use MySQL query. Pass two parameter. First one is the connection, second one is the query SQL variable, right? Everything is perfect, and I'm gonna use result, and I'm gonna just use header location category.php. Once the record has been updated, then I'm gonna display the I will redirect on this page, but also I want to display the message, right? So I'm gonna use equal, I don't use p clause alert success, and I'm gonna use single quotation because I have used classes here. Getting has been, right? Otherwise I'm gonna use else statement and just use echo query file. I use simple, right? Let's check it now, it's working or not. I'm gonna use web programming, edit now. We have successfully received, as you can see, guys, web programming, but I can't see the message, right? Now refresh that. As you can see, the code has been updated. Why I can't see code? Not alert success. I use this way. Save that, and let's check it now again. I want to change that web development, but I can't see the message on the page. Like I used to sometime alert success, your category has been updated, right? I'll use session messages if this message doesn't work, so I'll create a session messages. Alright, at this time I just check that. Yeah, I can't see the message, but the record has been updated. I will manage that on later. Web development, right? Right. So we have successfully performed the operations like add new category, delete the category, and also edit the category. I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next version. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will discuss all about the post, right? I think why I can't see the post, just a minute. Category, and I think I need to set up that. But before set up that, I'm gonna show you some important thing. I changed the name of this folder admin_includes. After changing this one name, I have also changed the code from this file categories.php, and I changed a couple of times of admin_includes inside the category.php, inside our index.php, and also I think that's it, and those are available inside our admin folder. Right now let's check out what happened on the I go to header.php, no, name.php. This is the and profile where the just a minute, I check that, where the dashboard view all post. Okay, this is a collapse, and target the post. I'm gonna change that, this hash data toggle collapse, data target post, and this one is a post, right? Now let's check it now this time. Right, as you can see, hash sign has been appeared. Now we need to create a file, so I go to admin folder. Right, inside our admin folder we need to create a file post.php. Inside this file you need to copy the complete categories.php code and paste on here, and remove the all code from this file without this section, right? Remove this one. Let me show you, just a minute. I think I need to remove that, and let's check it now. I need to also remove this one. This is this one there. This is this one. This is okay, perfect. Save that, and we need to also go to new.php, and inside that we need to use dot backslash sign and what one time dot post.php, right? Need to check that. Click on that. Right, we are seeing this one, but I need to change something from the post.php like this one. Where is the problem now? Line number 28, right here. admin_includes, save, perfect, right? But I want to see view all post inside our drop down menu. So This is a drop down, John Smith, this is a top, this is a collapse, dashboard, and the sidebar, dashboard, and this is a view post, and I cut that, right? But why I can't see the view all post, colon. I'll leave that and check out now this time. Yes, it's working, right? So I go to view all post, and inside that I'm going to use dot, that's the sign, post.php, right? So, and I'm going to click on that, view all post, right? Post.php, I'm going to click on that, view all post, right? Inside this file I'll remove the, I also add the category.php, just a minute, profile, view all post, toggle button, right? And also I'll create this one on later, right? I'm going to change the name, post underscore post, right? And also I'm going to change that view on underscore post, right? Perfect. I'll leave this one this time. Remove that. Okay. Admin line number 1, where index.php, right? Such a no directory, neighbor, admin, let's go neighbor, admin, and let's go neighbor, right? Perfect. I'm going to click on that, view all post, right? Inside the view all dot view underscore all underscore post, I will create call this one table, right? Table trtd, and I want to display the all data from this one database, post ID, category ID, right? And post title and everything. So I'm going to use post ID, right? I'm going to change that ID, author, td, post title, copy paste, and category, right? And that status, and img comment, right? Final one is that, right? So, and we will assign the classes table strict. I'm going to use border, right? Save that and let's check it now, right? ID, author, title, category, status, image, comment, right? And after this tr, I'm going to use tr again, td. I'm going to copy all of this stuff, paste it, ID 501. I'm gonna use admin. Title is OnlineITtuts. This is the static data, and this one is the category. I'm gonna use web development, and I'll leave the other things, right? So look at that, right? I want to change the table to strict. Select that one. Let's check it now. Right, this is our table. Now the next thing, I'm gonna display this record on this table, right? On this table. So in the next video, I'm gonna teach you how you can display the complete record inside our view all post page. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can display the database record inside our table. So first thing, you need to go on your category and delete or you can close other files and just leave the view all post file and remove this one. No, I just use, after the tr I use php, and we need to use query. Select static from post result MySQL query, pass two parameters and use while loop, row MySQL fetch associate, and pass the result variable, use curly brackets and close php tag, start php tag. Inside this section you just cut that and paste on here, and also you need to cut this one and paste after the tr tag, right? Inside this section you use basic syntax of PHP. You use echo and row variable and first column name like post ID, right? Post underscore ID, and I'm gonna copy this one, paste on here, paste on here, paste on here, remove this one, paste on here, paste on here, paste on here, paste on here. Post ID, second one is the what is name, author. So where is the author? Post author. I'm gonna use post author, right? Third one is title, post title, post underscore title, right? And what is name? Third one, category. So I need to use post get ID, post underscore get ID, right? And what is next? Status. So let's check it now. Post status. I'm going to change that, post status. And what is next? Image. So we'll use image. This way, just a minute, I'm going to show you. img src source quotation dot 2 times images folder and backslash sign and close image tag, right, inside this section. And also we need to close this one is statement quotation, right. And also I'm gonna send a class into image responsive, and also I'm gonna send the width 100 and height 100, right. I also 50 to dot means 2 times out of this file, right. 1 means outside of this one, 2 means outside of this admin folder, and the image folder available outside of the admin folder, right. This is the admin. Outside of the admin folder have an image, right. Images, okay, where it is, images, and comment. So the next one is the post comment count, post comment count, and last one is the date. So I just use where it is on post date, this one, post underscore date, right. I think it should be display. Let's check it now what happened. Admin, everything is perfect, but I can't see the images, right. Date, comment, status, categories, author, IDs. I think I need to check that where it is problem now. Okay guys, we need to assign the database column name on here, where post image, post underscore image. Save, and let's check it now. As you can see guys, we seen images 1 and 2nd, and we are getting complete card from the database, right. So this is our view post, view all post, and we have a index dot. Okay, let's check it now what happened on here. I'm gonna change the destination, index. Now I go to nav.php, and where is dashboard, this one, right. So outside of this one, not this one, Johnson logout dashboard air. I need to use dot pixel assign, right. Admin, inside admin folder I have a index.html. Okay, index.php. I'll go this one. And click on that. Why? Nav.php. Just a minute guys, I check that where is problem now. This is index.php, so this is also index.php dashboard, and toggle button, comment, demo. guys, I check that and I will teach you later, right? So I find that you just know how you can display the data from database to your web page, right? So in the next video I'm going to teach you another thing. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach with you how you can reuse the code. This is basically a page name, a view all post, but I will create a post.php page. Inside the post.php page I will display the complete record like this one. Once user will enter the record inside our content management system, then I want to redirect with another page with the help of get variable. I will teach you step by step how you can do that. This time I'm going to show you how you can reuse the code. So first thing, you need to go on your code editor and open the file view _all_ post. Inside that you need to copy this one, complete detail with table, right? With tab, cut that, right? And this is a closing this one div, this is a row div, this is a container div, right? And this is okay. Now go to admin includes folder and create a file, view all post php, and paste on here, right? Save that. And outside of the admin includes folder you need to rename this file name. I'm going to use post.php, right? Inside the post.php, this one file, you can use a switch statement. I'm going to show you. Inside this section, I'm going to use basic syntax of PHP, and we will create a get variable on later. This time I will assign the get variable name, and I'm going to show you. I'll create if set $get. I will write any name, then I will use the same name to create a get variable. First I'm going to use opt. The get variable is active, then come into the else statement, if statement, and inside the if statement I also use else statement, and inside the else statement I'm going to call get opt equal to null, right? So I will create a get variable like opt get, and I will assign the value. In the else statement I'm going to call opt equal to null, right? Outside of the if else statement I will create a switch statement, right? And pass the opt variable. Then I'm going to use case 1, right? Break, right? Inside this section I just use example. I will create on later the get variable like this one. So inside this case 1 I'm going to use this is case 1, right? Case 2 break echo, this is case 2, right? Now the next thing we need to use default, and I'm going to use break, right? Inside the default section I will include my this one post file. Means user will access any get variable, then who will redirect with another page. Like user will able to use this one variable, this one variable. I will use variable on later, and this time I'm going to just use the single numbers. inside the default section I just use require once, and I'm gonna open the admin post, right? Admin underscore includes \, and view all post. It means any get variable is active, like 1 or 2, then the particular record will be appeared. Otherwise the default file will be appeared on the page. I'm going to show you. I'm going to open. Now one more thing we need to do, we need to go on nav.php page, and inside this file we need to change the file name post, like this one, right? So, and I think it should be work fine. I go to admin.php page, go to view all post. As you can see guys, post.php, and those are content, same content, right? But my code has been reduced. I'm going to show you here, right? Now let's talk about the opt, this one. I copy that and I'm going to create this one, for example this one, and assign the value 1. And as you can see, this is a case 1, this is a get variable, and this is a case value. I will enter 2, this is a case 2, right? I will manage that to perform the operation like add new post, delete the post, update the post, right? So I will use this way, right? So I hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can manage and also create a file, like add a new post, right? So I go to my code editor, and first thing you need to create a file inside admin underscore include folder. The file name will be add post.php. Inside this file you need to copy the all code like this one and paste on here, and also you need to remove all the stuff on here, right? And you just need to write simple statement h2, this is a post page, right? Set that. Now the next thing, you need to go on post.php page and go to this one, switch statement. Inside this one number you need to remove that and use single quotation. You need to remove that and use add underscore post. Means after the get variable, any user will enter this one. I will manage that on later. This time I just use manually. I will enter this one text, then I want to display the post add new post file. So I'm going to copy and paste here, and I just need to use add post file name, this one, and both files available inside our admin includes folder, add post, and also view all post. Both files available inside this one. Why I seen this file outside of this? I will need to move on. No, I think I need to, I just checked that post. Okay, this is outside. Okay, perfect. I think it should be work fine. So let's check it now. I use opt equal to add post required ones, add post. Okay, I think I open that. Where is the problem now? Add post, admin includes. Where is the problem? 33 on here, I think. Requirements, admin underscore includes, add underscore. Okay, here is a problem, guys. Post.php. After that, this is a post page, right? Inside the post underscore add underscore post a page, we need to create a form. So I need to go on categories.php page. We need to copy this one form and we need to paste on here, right? Save that, right? But I will manage that. For LG instrument and it's called where is continue fluid page wrapper, remove page wrapper, save, and let's see now, right? And also I'm gonna remove this one div. I think it should be displayed on the same. Perfect, right? So I go to and leave the other things, and I'm gonna use the form, right? I will create a form to insert the record inside our database. So first one be post title, right? And I'm gonna use post underscore title placeholder post title, right? And I'll leave the other things, and I just need to copy this one there, paste here. And second one is the post no category ID, post category ID, right? And now we need to change the names. Get ID, right? This is a placeholder. And now the next thing is post author, I think. Yes, post author, post author, post author, right? And post status, right? Post status. Save that, and let's check now what happened on here. Post title, post category ID, post author, post status, right? And one more thing, not one more but few things we need to add them. The post no image post, I'm gonna use image, and file type is file, and name is image. I use img, I use image complete, right? Save that, and let's see now what happened, right? Image, and choose image, right? And post status, post tags, we need to change the type text, and post text, right? Copy that, and last one is the, I'm going to change that and use text area, right? And post content, name is post content, right? Save that, and let's check it now, right? But I will manage that using this one. Let's check it now, just a minute. Okay, I will need to remove that and use again. I just use post content, and we need to assign the class, guys. From control, I think it should be display perfect, as you can see, right? So those are our fields. We will use them to perform the operation like insert the record inside the database and perform another task like delete the record, update the record, and also get the particular record. So I hope you are understood as well how you can create a file and also form and how you can manage it. So I hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture.